A regular family, Maria, Henry, and their three kids, traveled to Thailand to spend Christmas. They get an upgrade to a villa on a coastline. After settling and exchanging gifts, they go to the pool like so many other tourists. A perfect paradise vacation until a distant noise becomes a roar. There's no time to escape from the tsunami. Maria and her eldest are swept one away. Henry and the youngest another. Who will survive and what will become of them? Hi everyone, I'm Rondal Avila Bueva and I'm here in front of you to share the story of the impossible. English physician Maria Benit and her Scottish husband Henry and their son Lucas, Thomas, and Simon are Christmas holiday in Khao Lak, Thailand in 2004. The tsunami triggered by the Indian Ocean earthquake, floods, an area with overwhelming destructive power. Maria and Lucas are swept away from the other and barely survive. Maria is severely injured, and they find a toddler named Daniel, a wreckage who, despite Lucas' reluctance, Maria insists talking along. They are found by locals who transferred them to a local hospital where Maria encouraged Lucas to occupy himself by assisting in any way he can, which leads to searching for strangers on behalf of relatives looking for them at the facility. 2 weeks up, the hospital staff leaving Maria, who has been moved from her bed, has died, and sending Lucas to attend birth children without families or help. Maria has surgery on her injured chest and is mistakenly labeled as Maria Bernice. She is eventually reunited with Lucas but remains in a highly fragile medical state waiting to be then fit for further surgery on her leg wound, which is deteriorating while waiting outside the ward. Lucas sees Daniel reuniting with his father. Elsewhere, Henry, Thomas, and Simon have survived the tsunami together. Although Henry is injured, he places the children in a vehicle supposed to take the tourists to a safe place while he remains behind to search for Maria and Lucas, further injured while failing to find them. He arrives to the evacuation point, only to discover that Thomas and Simon have been sent elsewhere. Communication facilities are scarce, but a tourist named Carl, who was also separated from his family, lends Henry his cell phone to contact his relatives, and volunteers to accompany Henry to look for Maria and Lucas. They search for their family and various places before they arrive at the hospital where Maria and Lucas are. The vehicle carrying Thomas and Simon stop outside the hospital. The family eventually reunites. Maria has a surgery, which she survived. And the following day, the family boards an ambulance airplane to Singapore, arranged by their insurance company for further treatment for Maria. Again, I'm Rondal Avila Bueva and saying thank you for watching.